Hi guys, here's what we're going to do for science today. So I know that we have some new materials in front of you. All right, so you're going to be in groups of about 3 or 4 per group, and then you're going to be using these basins that are going to be filled with water, about up to here. Okay, about that much of water. And your teacher will get that all set for you. Um, what we're going to do is first let's look at our new vocabulary. So a vial is this thing. Vial is a nice word for a little science cup. Okay. Basin is a nice word for a big plastic tub. And submerge, well, I see the word sub, which means going under. So submerge is if you have water, we're going to go under. Okay, so here are your challenges. All right, so let me type this in. Challenges. Number 1. Can you take the styrofoam ball and your vial? Can you take both of these things? Can you put the ball, submerge it underwater, and keep it dry? So submerge the ball, but keep it dry. Awesome. If you get that one done and you show your teacher, the next one that you do is can you take the little thing of paper towel and can you submerge this underwater but keep it dry, right? Then that's the biggest thing. So let's talk about these. A lot of times students will say, Mr. Higley, you're crazy. How can I put this underwater and keep it dry? That's just nonsense. But what do we know? What do we know about air already? Air is matter, right? What's matter? Taking up space, because matter is anything that takes up space. So there is a way to put it underwater, but I don't want you to take the vial and put your hand over the top and then put it under. That's not right. No, none of this. You can't also, if this is a water line, you can't also put it under. The whole thing has to be underwater. There's a way to do it if you remember that matter is anything that takes up space and air also takes up space. If you get number 1 and 2, number 3 is a bonus. And we're going to be pouring air. Let me get this here. Okay. Pouring air is awesome. So this one, I encourage you to go home and take a science bath. And when you go into your science bath, sit down and then bring in all those extra cups like yogurt containers or plastic cups or anything. But then you can pour air. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one of the cups, where is it? Hold it above the water, fill it up with air, and then the other one is filled with water. And I just want you to try to pour the air from this one into this one. And then you can pour the air into that one. It's kind of fun to do. Awesome. Now, I'm going to give your teacher a couple of seconds to pause this video. Teacher is pausing, and because then I'm going to show what to do after and how to get this done. Pausing. Okay, teacher. And class, did you do it? Did you get the challenge? Did you put the ball under and keep it dry? The paper towel under, keep it dry? Awesome. Here's what you found out how to do is that the first thing you had to do is above the water, flip the bottle over. What's inside of here? Air, and air is matter. Matter takes up space. So then when you put it underwater, the air is still in there. So if you had the ball in there first, and then you plopped it underwater, the air was stopping the ball from getting wet. The paper towel, all you had to do was shove it in here, turn it upside down, plop it underwater. The water can't get in because the air is already there, and air takes up space. Awesome. Way to go, guys. Just wait till the next one.